Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 10.1-inch IPS screen spatial angel head unit for Toyota Highlander. Okay, so here is bigger box. Let me open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. Here is the head unit. Okay, let me introduce the honey sets first. You can check this cable spatial for the Toyota Highlander. This radio antenna. Okay. And this irrigated input left and right. This power cable. Okay, and Corolla. No, this cable. Okay, and this speaker. Okay. This comes with GPS antenna. And the external microphone. Original USB. Two USB cable and external microphone. This external microphone, two USB. Okay. This camera inputs. Okay. And the AUX left and the right inputs. And this video input. Okay. This is audio cable. This subwoofer. Okay. This video out 1 and video out 2. Okay. This audio cable front and rear, left and right. Okay. Let me show the head unit. This driver agent. Okay, this is a head unit. can check side and this side. Okay, this is fuse and power, GPS, Wi-Fi antenna, radio port. Okay, let me power with 12 voltage. The head unit will be started. Okay, you can check fast response. System Batmo chip PX5 Android version is 8.0 oreo. Back to home. Volume. You can install application. Okay, that's all. Thank you.